50 Ukraine GK questions. Facts about Ukraine all should know. Where is the country Ukraine situated? Ukraine is a country in Eastern Europe. The national flag of Ukraine. Which country does Ukraine share its border with on its east and northeast? Russia. Which country does Ukraine share its border with on its north? Belarus. Which country does Ukraine share its border with on its west? Poland, Slovakia, and Hungary. Which country does Ukraine share its border with on its south? Romania and Moldova. What are the coastlines of Ukraine? Ukraine has a coastline along the Sea of Azov and the Black Sea. What is the area of Ukraine? 603,628 square kilometers. What is the capital of Ukraine? Kiev. What are the coordinates of Ukraine? 49 degrees north and 32 degrees east. What is the population of Ukraine? 43.6 million. It is the 8th most populous country in Europe. What is the largest city in Ukraine? Kiev. When was Ukrainian People's Republic internationally recognized? The internationally recognized Ukrainian People's Republic was declared on 23rd June 1917. Ukraine was a founding member of the Soviet Union in 1922. When did Ukraine regain its independence? Ukraine regained its independence in 1991 following the dissolution of the Soviet Union. What is the official language of Ukraine? Ukrainian. What are the other regional languages recognized in Ukraine? Belarusian, Bulgarian, Crimean, Tatar, Gagauz, Greek, Hebrew, Hungarian, Polish, Romanian, Russian, Slovak, and Yiddish. What are the main ethnic groups in Ukraine? 77.8% Ukrainians, 17.3% Russians, 4.9% others. What is the main religion of Ukrainian inhabitants? Christianity, 87.3%. What is the demonym of the people living in Ukraine? Ukrainian. What kind of government is in Ukraine? Unitary semi-presidential republic. Who is the president of Ukraine? Volodymyr Zelensky. Who is the Prime Minister of Ukraine? Denis Shmyhal. What is the population density of Ukraine? 73.8 per square kilometer. What is the GDP of Ukraine? $622 billion. What is the per capita income of Ukraine? $15,124. What does Ukraine mean in English? Borderland. What is the national animal of Ukraine? Common nightingale. Which is the national bird of Ukraine? The white stork. What is the national flower of Ukraine? Sunflower. What was Ukraine called before? Ukrainian Soviet Socialist Republic, part of the Union of Soviet Socialist Republics or USSR. What is the national sport of Ukraine? Football. What is the national dance of Ukraine called? Hopak. What is the national plant of Ukraine? Kalina. What is the national liquor of Ukraine? Horilka. What is Ukraine's main export? Agricultural products. What are the national colors of Ukraine? Blue and yellow. Who is the national poet and artist of Ukraine? Taras Shevchenko. What is the currency of Ukraine? Hryvnia. What is the currency code of Hryvnia? UAH. What are the rivers in Ukraine? Dnipro, Seversky Donets, Dniester, and the Southern Bug. What are the main mountains found in Ukraine? Carpathian Mountains. What is the highest mountain peak in Ukraine? Hora Hoverla, 2061 meters. What are the natural resources of Ukraine? Iron ore, coal, manganese, natural gas, oil, salt, sulfur, graphite, titanium, magnesium, kaolin, nickel, mercury, and timber. How is the president of Ukraine elected? The president of Ukraine is elected by popular vote for a 5-year term and is the formal head of state. What is the most visited place in Ukraine? Kiev. What are the five top tourist attractions in Ukraine? Kiev, Lviv, Odessa, Chernobyl, Kamianets-Podilsky Fortress. Which is the largest waterfall in Ukraine? Uchansu Waterfall. What is the coolest recorded temperature in Ukraine? Minus 30.9 degrees Celsius in Luhansk in January 2006. What is the largest port in Ukraine? Mariupol Port.